Hey everyone, I'm Melanie from Streamlined Legal, where we help law firms get the most out of their practice management software. And today I had the awesome opportunity to help law students get the most out of their legal careers. And I had the great opportunity to speak to a class over at DePaul University College of Law and really enjoyed the opportunity. I spoke on the topic of, I spoke about my career path, which has not been necessarily a traditional one for a law student. And so, having obviously gone to law school and then graduated and started in practice and practiced in a couple of firms and then started my own practice, had that for a number of years and then came to Streamline Legal, of course. I was able to share that story with the students, and I really enjoy doing that because I feel like sometimes, um, number one, in law school, I think most of us anticipate that we're going to come out and be attorneys and practice law. But the truth is there are so many different career paths that we can choose after law school that don't necessarily have to involve the practice of law specifically. Mine obviously still very much does involve the practice of law, even though I'm not practicing myself. And so there's just a lot of opportunity out there. And I think that sometimes we don't realize that when we are law students. Sometimes we don't realize that after we've graduated or even after we've practiced for a number of years. So I love sharing my story. I love telling people about some of the alternatives. I don't think that all attorneys or all law students should quit the practice of law necessarily. But I do think that for some, it can be a really great option to go into legal technology or go into consulting or a myriad of other things that are out there. So thank you to DePaul University for having me speak. It was a great pleasure. If you know a law firm class or law school class that has an opportunity and would like to hear about alternate career paths or practice management technology or anything like that, please feel free to reach out. I do love speaking to law students and would love the opportunity. I hope you had a great evening. I will see you all tomorrow. Good night.